To view replies on the Threads app, begin by launching the app, ensuring it's updated and that you're logged into your account. To locate your replies, you can find the original post and check for responses. But this method isn't always reliable. A more consistent approach is to tap the person icon at the bottom of the screen. Within this section, select the Replies tab, where you'll see the post along with your reply beneath it. From here, you can edit or delete your reply if needed, in case you encounter glitches or bugs. First, check for updates by visiting your device's Play Store or App Store. If an update is available, install it. If not, consider reinstalling the app. Additionally, ensure your phone's system software is up to date by navigating to your device's settings and selecting the System Update option. Following these steps should resolve any compatibility issues and allow smooth usage of the Threads app.